Hi there! I have two questions to you. Number one, what are the things you enjoy doing? Number two, if you only own your time and have the flexibility, would you see yourself enjoying your time with your loved ones? My name is Flor. I am a wife and a mother of two children. I am a Filipino living in Australia for almost 16 years now. I am a registered nurse here. Well, who doesn't want to enjoy the flexibility of time and be with their families? I believe that is everyone else's dream. This is one of our problems. Before, my husband and I are working full-time and we struggle finding a balanced life. We miss a lot of time with our kids, especially when they are still at school. Some mothers I know even have time to volunteer and help assist at school where their children goes. But not for us. We work so hard to give our children a better life and a future, and it helps meet our needs too. Our children are growing up, and we are not also getting younger. We feel so tired, and we feel that our career is wearing us down. This is one of the reasons why we search and look for something more and something better. And we found one. We found a business that runs over the internet. We found the most successful digital business with endless possibilities. And it all started by watching a workshop. A workshop that reveals why a lot of people are now venturing in digital space and how it changed their life. We are in this business for 21 months now and we love every single benefits we have in this business. My husband was made redundant last year because of the pandemic, but thank God everything is in perfect condition. Why? Because our business is already running perfect. I am now working in digital space full-time and managing it on my own time. Now, we have a new hope, a new passion, and a new approach in life with a changed mindset and belief that everything is possible for us to achieve our dreams, our visions of the life we love to live, and even create a legacy for our children that will far outlive anything we can imagine. God is with us in this journey, and if God is with us, no one is against us. We are now helping people from all walks of life, even with no prior experience. People who are looking for a new venture in digital space by building a profitable, legitimate, global business. If you want to know more how this business can help you, just send me a message and register to our website for us to send you more information. Our website is www.ofbonlinemarketing.com. You will find a video or what we call the webinar, and this webinar will give you a lot of information regarding this business. So watch it out here, guys. Watch it. So thank you and God bless. Bye for now.